Nobody can change what we want to do. We want to be welders if we want to work in auto mechanics. We want to do carpentry. Women can do whatever they want. I wanted to do a trade. I wanted to do manual labor, and doing welding, I fell in love with it.
When I was in college, I was thinking of doing arts, and as I realized, there aren't really many art careers. So, plus I might not even be able to find something after that. So I decided to do this, where I could actually make things. And it's a well-paying job. I could honestly. Like, it's good. There's also benefits, which are good about it.
Post one of your welds on like a Facebook page or whatever. Yeah. Then it's be like, if they see that you're a girl, they'll be like, well, you're not supposed to do that. And then it's like, well, it's 2019. Like, yeah, I'm a woman, but
they got no choice. Accept it. Usually every day my mom tells me to wash my face because it's dirty, and she's like, who are you going to impress? I'm like, who am I impressing? There's nobody to impress. I do this for a living.
It's basically it. We're gonna work hard for 1 year and 4 months, and right when we get off of school, we're gonna have our stage and get the job right away. So, in the end, it shouldn't be compared to college first and then trade school. Even though it should be maybe a little bit higher to trade school and then to college. Long days, hard work, but it's paying off in the end.
Don't have your parents force you to have a career you don't want, because my mom tried pushing me into college. I did 1 year. I didn't like it.
It comes down to you choosing your own path, right?
Yeah.
If a little girl wants to grow a firefighter, then grow out to be a firefighter. Don't stop because you're a little girl. Keep going and do it.